All right, today we are diving into a technique that can seriously level up the AI you use every single day. We're talking about a way to turn it from just a simple instruction follower into something that can actually reason through problems, making it way smarter, more reliable, and a lot less likely to make those frustrating, confident mistakes. I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? The idea that one single line of text in your prompt can totally flip the script on how an AI tackles a problem, shifting it from a black box that just spits out answers to a partner that shows you its work? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unpack. But first, to really get the solution, we have to understand the problem. At their core, large language models are basically super sophisticated prediction machines. They're trained to figure out the most likely next word, not to actually, reason. This means they often take the quickest, shortest path to an answer, jumping to a conclusion without thinking through the steps. I am willing to bet you have. You give it what feels like a pretty straightforward, multi-step problem, could be in math or logic or even a coding question, and boom, it serves up an answer with absolute confidence. But then you check the work and you realize, wait a minute, it completely missed a crucial step. Okay, take a look at this. This is the perfect example of what I'm talking about. Ask a standard AI, what is 12 plus 15 times 2, and it just might spit out 54. Why? Because it just went left to right. It added before it multiplied. It didn't follow the basic order of operations because its only goal was to predict the next thing to say, not to build a logical case for its answer. So how do we fix this? How do we stop the AI from jumping the gun and instead get it to actually think its way through a problem? Well, the secret is, honestly, it's surprisingly simple. It's all about asking it to show its work. This is it. That's the magic phrase. Just by adding, let's think step by step to the end of your prompt, you're not just asking for an answer anymore. You're actually commanding the AI to show you its entire reasoning process, from start to finish. Now, this technique has an official name. It's called chain of thought prompting, or CoT for short. And instead of letting the model just take one giant leap to the finish line, CoT makes it create a series of smaller, logical stepping stones. It forces the model to write out its thinking, which, as you'll see, makes a huge difference in accuracy. And believe me, the difference is night and day. Let's go back to that exact same math problem, but this time we're going to use a chain of thought prompt and see what happens. We're about to watch the model's internal monologue come to life. And there you have it. Just look at this. The AI correctly identifies the order of operations. It does the multiplication first. 15 times 2 is 30. Then it does the addition. 12 plus 30 is 42. It didn't just give us the right answer, it showed us the exact logical path it took to get there. That is the power of CoT in action. So, why does this work so well? Well, by forcing the model to generate all those little intermediate steps, you're basically making it slow down and dedicate more of its brain power to each part of the problem. Every step acts like a checkpoint, making sure the next prediction is logically consistent with the last one. It's this structured approach that cuts down on errors so dramatically. Okay, so now that we know the what and the why, let's get into the how. There are two main flavors of chain of thought prompting that you can add to your toolkit: zero-shot and few-shot. First up, you've got zero-shot CoT. This is the quick and easy plug-and-play method we've been using. You literally just add, let's think step by step. It works wonders. But for more complex or maybe more niche problems, you'll want to use Few-shot CoT. This is where you give the AI a full example, a question, the step-by-step logic, and the final answer. It basically gives the AI a perfect template to copy, which is incredibly powerful for tricky coding problems or tasks that need specific formatting. Okay, this is where it gets really, really practical, especially for those of you who are developers. Chain of thought isn't just for solving little math puzzles. It is an incredibly powerful tool for all sorts of development tasks. Just think about it. Instead of asking, why is this code broken, you can ask, walk me through this code step by step and tell me where the logical error is. Planning a new feature, ask the AI to outline the system design choices and explain the trade-offs at each step. It is perfect for walking through algorithm problems or even for getting the AI to write clear, structured technical documentation for you. So, the real takeaway here is a shift in your mindset. Stop treating the AI like a magic 8-ball that just gives you answers. Instead, start treating it like a junior developer. Don't just ask for the final code, ask it to explain its thinking. The real value is in that transparent, logical process that you can actually review, understand, and trust. This one simple change in how you prompt unlocks a more reliable, way more accurate, and truly collaborative AI partner. So the next time you're writing a prompt, just ask yourself, am I just looking for an answer, or do I want an ally who can reason with me? Trust me, the difference is everything.